Virtual events all over the world have faced a challenge, connecting people emotionally when they are apart. We teamed up with Roland Berger to solve this, creating a real-time 3D event platform like no other, one that truly connects. At its core, a virtual island of inspiration, shaped by modern architecture and utopian concepts. A live conference stage brought people together to share the buzz, intuitively interacting with each other and the show. In the think tank, they could collaborate in workshops. But it's not just content that makes conferences special, but the lovely extras. We set the challenge to experience this digitally. Get inspired by creativity in the playground. In the cafe, meet new people via chat roulette. Or get energized through downtime in the spa. Over 3 days, the first event welcomed 300 top-level visitors and speakers from all over the world. The platform was a real blueprint for the future, laying the foundation for internal and external events and even collaborative client workshops all over the world.
The platform was a tremendous success. We've received awesome feedback about the tool and the event by all participants, and we're now also using the platform for external events on many other occasions.
And yes, visitors were fans.